Good. This is my good side, actually. Good morning, babes. How you doing today, babes? It's a beautiful sunny, ew. It's a beautiful Sunday, oh. It's a beautiful sunny Monday afternoon. We got there, and I clearly have not had enough coffee. I've been in meetings all morning and trying to tidy my room a bit. I actually just changed my bed sheets. Can't wait to get into those tonight. You know you're tired when the second you get out of bed you're already thinking about getting back into it. Your girl is moving out on her own. Woof. I've got some very exciting flat viewings this morning. I need to change before I go because this is not screaming, I will take care of your flat and keep it clean and tidy and presentable, when I can't even keep myself looking presentable. You know what I mean? Or maybe I spend so long cleaning and being a domesticated queen that I just look like this all the time. So I've got some flat viewings this morning. I am so bloody excited. It's honestly something I'm looking forward to so much, having my own place, making so many videos about furnishings and sofas and blankets. There are two men working on that construction. It sounds so dumb, but how crazy is it that humans build that? Like, that comes from a human brain. Could never be me. I struggle to come up with a YouTube video idea once a week. I've got about 20 minutes till I need to leave, so I'm just gonna throw a pair of jeans and a top on. Anyone else have a Casio watch and it just goes off so randomly? It goes off at 12:40 every day and then 4:20. What? Babes, you have no idea how excited I am to go and view these flats, and there is no one else I would rather be taking with me other than you. Yeah, I just said that. We're best friends now, what about it? Catch you on the flip side, woo!
I have to apologise because I just felt way too awkward to sort of walk around and talk about the flats whilst filming them. So here we are with voiceover. But anyway, this is the first flat I went to view. Super lovely, nice storage. I'm just showing you that there's an extra little bit of storage here, which I definitely would be utilising for ring lights, because every YouTuber ever, your ring light is like a feature of your house, and I don't want it to be a feature of my house, you know what I mean? But anyway, this is the master bedroom. Gorgeous ensuite, lovely. Ooh, there she is. Hey girls. Lovely big shower, sliding door. Is that a sliding door to the shower? I don't know, I didn't look for long enough. And then we've got a lovely big size master bedroom. Wow, would you look at the view? We did it, Joe. Is that even the right Vine reference? I'm not sure. Nice built-in wardrobes. If you couldn't tell, this is the same development that I'm living in right now. The living room. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You may... Okay, no, we're not going to start that. Two big, beautiful balconies. Whoever got that balcony there that I just viewed into, wow, they are one lucky fella, lady. Oh, my estate agent was actually so cute. She had a really nice Gucci bag as well. Boss girl, boss queen. Anyway, nice view. Once again, you got a pretty view of the Shard. Wow, London living. I really am not very good at voiceovers. Oh, I just realized there's another storage cupboard there. How convenient. This is the guest bathroom. Very nice, very nice. Got a nice big bath in there. One of my biggest icks is if a boy doesn't fit in the bath. I don't know why, but the thought of that's really scary. Also a bath with no bubbles. Ugh, get away from me. This is the second bedroom, which I would be utilising as an office wardrobe space. And now we have the second apartment, a super beautiful one. You walk through the door. Here is the guest bathroom. Once again, basically the exact same layout as the previous one, but something that got me really ruffled my feathers. Does that mean you're angry? I was about to say tickled my pickle, but I have a deep hatred towards that saying. Something I was really enjoying about this apartment was the amount of storage. Would you look at that? God, the suitcases and the people I can hide in there. The boys that I can trap so they never leave. Okay, whoa, that took a turn. This is the living room, and this balcony did things to me. I left a piece of my heart and a piece of my soul on this balcony. Absolutely gorgeous. Once again, really nice views. Something I really liked about this flat, which the other flat didn't have, was that all the views out of all the windows were really good. In the other flat, one of the views from the windows was looking onto another tower, which I'm not crazy about. This is the second bedroom. Once again, as I said, this would be like an office wardrobe space. And then I have got this bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Nice en suite, once again. Sorry, I feel like I'm showing you the same bathrooms, but it is the same development. Can we just talk about these doors as well, like wainscoting vibes? All I've ever wanted is wainscoting in a house. And then here we have the master bedroom, which is so funny because this is literally all the furniture that Olivia moved into, like had in her room, and we rinsed her for so long about having a crushed velvet bed. As I said, I'm going to be getting all the furniture from wherever I move put into storage, just because I just kind of want to buy my own, and that is okay. Moving on to the third apartment. This was the apartment I really had my heart set on before I came to view it, and it didn't really live up to my expectations. As you can see, the tenants left it in a not the best condition, but anyway, this is the next apartment I went to go and view. Also, sorry that my laptop literally sounds like it's about to take flight. It's doing that thing where it's overheating, like my knees are sweating right now. Something I loved about this apartment so much was all the wardrobe space. Obviously, as I've said 100 times, I am looking to turn one of the rooms into an office/wardrobe. So if there are wardrobes already built in, it's very convenient. So this would have been my main bedroom, well, my bedroom, there she is, and it has a beautiful, great big balcony that stretches all across all 3 rooms of the house, but the only thing is it was quite low down, this flat, so you would probably have the noise of trains, which is not a huge problem, but I do have to consider it for filming videos and stuff. This is the second bedroom. Very nice, so tidy, oh my god, they did such a good job. And this is the main living room. Really nice, really big, really spacious. I think all of these flats, they were all furnished, if I remember correctly. Once again though, the views from this one weren't as competitive as the views with the other one, but the balcony definitely made up for that because it was so gorgeous. I could put so much garden furniture on that, a nice big L sofa in the summer. Wow, absolutely delicious. And then this was the last flat I viewed, which floor plan wise is definitely my favorite, but the only compromise, gosh, this bathroom, who recognizes that? This balcony, sorry, what? This flat didn't have a balcony, and I was just as devastated as you are. I also really like the way this one came with curtains, because I know from living in this development that the blinds don't do too much. And this one also, the view, London Eye, the Thames, just incredible. The bedrooms were such a good size. It also, I really like the way it had wooden floors actually in the bedrooms. I didn't think I'd be too into that, but with a nice big rug, I think that could be really lovely and probably so much easier to clean and keep clean in case of any spillages. This is the second bedroom, just gorgeous. Like, I really love this flat. I'm not going to tell you which one I'm getting as well, by the way, so try and guess. I think I say that a bit later on in the video. Anyway, moving on to the living room, we got a little bit more storage once again, and wow, double aspect. And this one is just like, it's facing the best side of the city, like it's kind of facing into London, but the balcony, like, oh, do I want to sacrifice a balcony for a kitchen island? I'm not sure.
I hate all men, but, oh, no, I hate all men. We'll get onto that in a second. I'm back from my flat viewings now, obviously, and this girl is in a rush. I'm getting ready to go out and meet up with my friend Salome. We're gonna have a girly day in Primrose Hill, go for brunch, and I also need to shoot some Instagram pictures for something that I can't say because I don't know when this vlog is going up and I don't know when those pictures are going up. Funny story, there was this flat that I was absolutely dead set on, and I'm not gonna lie, I actually kind of went and only viewed other flats for this vlog. Obviously I couldn't really show me just going to view one, and I love a good property hunting video. There was this flat that I was like, I'm 99% sure I'm gonna get this one. I'd seen loads of pictures of it online, really liked it. The floor plan was perfect, bedrooms were huge, like huge, met all the criteria that I wanted, and I went to viewed it, and it was probably my least favorite out of all of them. It was really dark. The previous tenants had left it in a really bad condition. I don't really think it takes my contour. Oh, what is this? Catch me filming a whole apology just for yikes. The tenants had left it in a really bad condition, and it just was not what I thought it was going to be. So I was a little bit deflated, but I ended up finding one that was even better, even more perfect. And I actually already showed my interest to the estate agent who showed me around, and I've got it. So I let the estate agent know that I'm very interested because I don't want to be losing this bad boy. I don't have time to be losing this flat. I nabbed it whilst I could, and it's mine. She's got a flat. Oh my god. I don't want to tell you guys which one it is, but I'm very intrigued to know. Actually, oh my god, imagine if you're all like, oh my god, it has to be this one. Surely it's this one. This is the best one. And then it's not. Very, very exciting, feeling very lucky. Just want to say a huge thank you to you lovely, wonderful people for watching my videos, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. And that is crazy. We are bonded with each other. I hope you know this means we're bonding. We're having a bonding moment. I'm gonna blow you a kiss. Anyway, some not so wonderful things. I wasn't even going to talk about this because it happens to everyone, and I hate that it does happen to everyone, but hi, welcome to being a girl. After my viewings, I walked over to Sainsbury's, which is literally about a 3-minute walk from our apartment. Bloody hell, you'd think that a middle-aged man has never seen a pair of legs in his life. I quickly ran back up to the flat to change into some shorts because I was boiling, like sweltering, sweat dripping down my back. You didn't need to know that, but you did need to know that. I step outside, and literally like from the second I step outside, obviously there's staring, and I get that people are gonna stare, but it's when you just when people say something. I counted, and in that 3-minute walk there and the 3-minute walk back, I had 5 men audibly say something. The last guy who was comfortably sat inside the comfort of his van, pussy behaviour. I was walking past and he told me that I looked beautiful, and I just carried on walking, kept my head down, and then he said something so vulgar and so disgusting, and me being the mature person I am, just carried on walking away. Psych, I told him to go fuck himself, which looking back probably was not the safest or the most responsible thing to do, but I was literally about to walk through the doors of my apartment complex. But genuinely, I know it is so hard, but for the sake of your own safety, please, like, just don't ever respond. You don't really want to provoke a reaction. I'm not going to dwell on it anymore because, do you know, it actually really upset me. And I think it's okay to say that that upset me, like that would upset any normal person. It was just more so like, bloody hell, like especially what's happened recently, literally down the road from me, and people still think it's okay to do that. I just hope when I raise my son or my daughter in the future, it will be different and the world will be a different place, and you won't have to go out with crippling anxiety every time you wear a pair of shorts. But anyway, I'm gonna sort my hair out now and put some gloss and liner on, obviously, and I will see you in a sec. Ready? Ooh, there's a hair. Catch you on the flip side. I'm ready, and I'm running really late. This is what I'm wearing today. I got this cute little lemon dress on and these really cute little shoes that I haven't actually worn out yet. I thought I'd change it up from the Crocs, put my hair up because, I haven't already mentioned, crazy. Good, thank you so much. Thank you. That looks delish. So I'm out for brunch with Salome now.
Oh, you've got a secret.
All the gorilla pods, don't they look like anal beads? I know it says they look like anal beads.
Oh my god! What the fuck?
Do you like tofu or are you a tofu hater?
Tofu, yes. Avocado.
Really?
No. Me not knowing how to use a microwave.
Delicious.
Rate out of 10. Okay.
Probably a 9, maybe a 9.5.
Like this.
Take your time. It's like buffering. 9! Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I thought it was bad. The shot. What, do you take your payments in White Claws? Yes, always. Lime. We got it, perfect. Yay, we got it. Yay, why did you look so small?
Because I'm fucking short.
Yeah, oh my god, actually, got her. Wow, she's a tall being for once. She is so tall. Summer vibrations, the snap nail.
Oh my god.
Yeah, get into it, Salome. 2 Aperols in, and why has it gone straight to our heads?
I'm off the rail.
It's the heat, babes, it's the heat. This is fine.
Okay, not a new couple flirting. I really wasn't expecting this to happen. Yes. I got you, B. You have it. You have it on the worst setting, but go off.
Oh, do I?
Yeah.
Update, we came to Battersea Park, had a couple more drinks, and now me and Ruben...
Getting a little bit too close.
Ruben is stressed. Now that you mention it, who wants to see me passport photos?
Call me, Ruben in the dress.
I'm scared. Ow!
Yeah.
Oh shit, she went for it.
Should we do that? Yeah. Is that what relationships look like? Yeah, watch. Ready? Go! Oh my god!
Her back cracked.
Also, your ass is out.
Why are we so far apart? This was not how it meant to
Let's go, guys.
Honey, watch your girl, watch your girl. Watch your woman.
What are they doing?
Look at that. Do you like vlogging when you're drunk or not?
Just say hey with my hair. In the moment, yeah, but then when I go to edit it back, I'm like, oh, Flossie, you are so annoying.
I mean, that's what I think in the moment as well. Hey guys, so we're vlogging today.
That
Where are we
is
going?
correct. We are going to Pluto. Cardi, I want to go to Pluto.
Why is it so high up?
This way.
It's this way.
Don't show the address to you.
Yeah, don't.
Okay, flat viewer.
Hey, flat viewer. Flat viewer, chain blinger. Colour at your next man.
Hi guys, this is me sipping on my Aperol, having a lovely day, just gonna have some sushi now with my friends, and I can't wait. So yeah, like and subscribe.
Cheers. Cheers. Okay guys, so I'm back home now. I'm about to get ready for bed. We went for some sushi, and then obviously me and Salome got a snog, and I've had such a fun day. Get out of this dress. As comfy as it is though, actually. It's a little For Love and Lemons number. Although it really do be making me feel like a fairy princess. I've got some gracks set up on my YouTube, and I'm gonna just settle down and have a cozy little night. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I have enjoyed filming it so much and I'm so excited to take you all along this moving process with me. I'm just so excited for this next chapter. I love you all so much. I hope you're all happy, healthy, thriving, enjoying the sun, and I will see you all very, very soon. That was quite a lot. Maybe just one. Love you. Bye.